till he's finished.
Thank you.
And I'm really sorry for not underestimating Luke enough.
Well, that means a lot to me.
The hardest part is he kind of takes after me with all this. Like my lack of focus and yours.
My wife?
I just love you.
I did it.
Hey.
Oh my God.
Do you like it?
I love it. Did you do this?
Oh, him.
I used Mr. Potato Head ears because Van Gogh cut his ear off, and there's money because his painting sold for like $1 bajillion, which is sad because he died broke.
Yes. That... You're right.
Don't apologize.
I'm not apologizing.
Apology accepted.
Luke, I really couldn't be more proud of you, and I am so sorry I didn't give you more credit.
Thanks.
There you go, buddy.
Gotta go finish the cupcakes.